Hey, what's up YouTube? Behold a Black Wolf here, and today I'm going to tell you guys or show you guys how to get your Kraken clone to get no rat no tap, just like this. No rat no tap, and to have the screws tightened down all the way. My screws, my pivot screws are tightened all the way. So, oh yeah, my second one here too. See, no rat no tap, silent. So I'll tell you guys how to do that, right? So you see this whole case here? This is a bunch of fucking backed up hardware. I have so many of the pivots that come with this damn knife. These pivots right here, I have many of them in here. Now this procedure is right, is going to take a very long time, to tell you the truth. I just finished doing this one. I did this one like last month. I just finished doing this one. I had to go through at least 15 pieces of bushings so I can get my Kraken clone to this level. Silent, perfect. Let me show you the sound test. Hold up. Sound test right here. Hear that? So this took me some time. So you want to do, right, like most of the time when you buy your clones from off of AliExpress, you come with backup hardware, right? You come with these, and then you come with you come with the backup pivots like these. You come with these and you come with these, right? So what you want to do is you will have to go through. Now you have to be patient. I tell you, you need patience for this shit. You have to go through all of them one at a time. Go through every single pivot and bushings one at a time. Install it. Make sure you twist your pivot. Make sure your pivot can twist in all the way through. Twist it in all the way through. Make sure you could do that, and it can still have action to it. So make sure the knife can still have tolerance to it. And if the tolerance stopped up, obviously you have to take those out. Don't do no polishing, none of that shit yet. That's the last. Don't worry about that right now. Just go through every single one of these bushings here, and these pivot pieces here. Go through every single one of those over and over again. Not over and over again, but just go through the ones you come with. You usually come with an extra spear. Go through those, test them out, and then you're going to always, that's if your knife comes ratting, tapping. That's if it comes that way. But most likely, I say 80% of the time, you're going to have this. If you just take your time and go through all your pieces. I have all of these backup pieces here, minus the screws. These are all my backup pieces here, and I get some more pieces inside this box here too. I took my time and I went through every single one of these, even the damn washers. That's just what you have to do. Simple as that. Sounds nice. Sounds really nice. Shit. And then after you get it, after you could get these pivots nice and tight all the way, just add your oil, and that's the result you're gonna get. The same thing goes for the live blade. You have to go through all of them. See, this one has a little ring in it because I didn't add oil to it. It's gonna have like this little, you hear the ring? And that ring is because you don't have no oil, you don't have any oil in the pivots. So you're gonna have that ring. Oh, you hear that echoing ring? Yeah. This one don't have the echoing ring. just silent. With the love to hear that sound. We all love to hear that sound. It's just gonna take some time to work through for real. But it's not hard. It just takes patience, and it's just tiring. And that's it for real. Same thing with my with vomit. The famous vomit. I had to take my time and do the same shit too with his backup pieces. And then when I couldn't get the results, or if you can't get the results, what do? That's when you resort to the polishing and your sanding and such. I have some stuff to do with this one here. I think it's just the scales giving off that type of funny effect, but ain't no biggie. So that's about it, guys. You just have to go through all your pieces. Just go through every single one of your pieces one at a time. Make sure it can tighten. Your pivots can tighten all the way, and it still has swing. After that, you test the rat, test the top. You're not gonna hear it. You're not gonna hear no rat, no top. Then you oil that part. Then you can move on to the next. It's gonna take some time, so just be patient. So be easy, guys. Peace.